Price in India: 256GB, 1,19,900 rupees. 512GB, 1,39,900 rupees. 1TB, 159,900 rupees. Launch. Pre-orders: September 12th, 2025. Available in stores September 19th, 2025. Display: 6.3-inch OLED, Super Retina XDR, 120Hz ProMotion. Design: forged aluminium unibody, ceramic shield 2 front. Processor: A19 Pro chip with enhanced CPU. Cameras: rear camera, triple 48MP. Main, ultra-wide telephoto. Front camera, 18MP with center stage and dual capture. Battery: life up to 33 hours video playback. 50% charge in 20 minutes. Storage: 256GB, 512GB, 1TB. Colors: deep blue, cosmic orange, silver. Special features: vapor chamber cooling, eSIM only in many regions, advanced durability. Summary: iPhone 17 Air is Apple's thinnest iPhone yet, featuring a sleek 5.6mm titanium design, a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display with 120Hz ProMotion, the powerful A19 Pro chip, and an advanced 48-megapixel dual camera system. With up to 1TB storage, all-day battery, and new colors like space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue, it's built for both style and performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest iPhones and tech news.